it is fitting as well. The kind of aura that the CDS carried, and more importantly, it is as per the protocol as well. That since he was the head of the tri-services as well, he was the chief of defence staff. He was essentially the go-to point for the government between the forces and the government of India as well. And right now we can show you certain preparations that are happening here as well. This happens to be the Brar Square crematorium, where earlier in the day, it was the tributes were also given to a brigadier leader here as well. And now preparations are underway for the CDS and for his mortal remains to reach here. It is expected that senior most dignitaries would also be arriving. And the CDS, the kind of role that he played in India, specifically with respect to kind of strategies that he formulated, with respect to the kind of decisions that he helped the government of India take, and more importantly, not even as just as the CDS, but more importantly as an officer of the army as well. You look at his career; it is a long career, starting from right from the time when he was deployed in the northeast region to counter the anti insurgency movements. He was out there. He's countering the insurgency movements out there as well. And then whether he was deployed in Kashmir, ensuring that India's fight against terrorism continues to go strong, or whether when he was at the LAC, ensuring that the borders were safe, and there was the situation between India and China at the border locations did not get either worsen or at least would not worsen further. So he played a very crucial role as an army officer as well. And post that, we've seen how he the kind of role that he played strategically, ensuring that India had developed a very good rapport with the neighboring countries, especially with countries like Bhutan, Nepal, Myanmar. All of them had are of strategic importance, and India developed very good relations with them. And you have the CDS to thank for it. If the AK-203 are coming in India, it is a huge role that the CDS did play in it, strengthening of relations between the armies as well, the joint operations, the joint practices that happened between the armies of Russia, or for that matter with the US as well. All of the credit has been given to the CDS as well. And it's the constant preparedness of the army that really talks about it. It's the constant preparedness of the forces that really takes the force of any country
his contribution to the services to the nation show, and they will continue to show for the future as well, Mohit. Of course, the military will be giving him full honors this afternoon when his mortal remains are taken to Brar Square crematorium in order to lay them to rest for a final time. In fact, the mortal remains of General Bipin Rawat and Mrs. Madhulika Rawat were brought to his Delhi residence earlier this morning, wrapped in tricolour. The casket of General Bipin Rawat is at his residence for public viewing and for the nation to pay final tribute.